Hi, could your business use some cash flow relief, cash flow pain relief? I was meeting with one of my new clients on Zoom this week, and she had the above chiropractic chart. I've copied it as a picture. Apologise for the lousy image quality, but it was off Zoom. But one of the things that stood out as we were talking about money was, or more specifically, the income she was taking home, which had been flat for the past couple of years, even though she had managed to grow a practice from around 400,000 to almost $700,000. And she was really only working the extra hours, but not making the extra income she'd hope would follow. And the problem being that growth in the number of clients really comes at the cost of, all the extra marketing, extra team, the extra hours she has to work, and then all those other associated costs that come with that. But you know as a clinician that if I come to you with pain, you go through a process of diagnosis and treatment options, right? To find out the best way you can help me. And as a patient, my prime objective in coming to you is to not be in pain, or to not be in pain for the least amount of money that could cost me. And then, of course, the correction, the maintenance, the prevention, and ultimately the wellness would be somewhere, later on my radar. But who do you go to as a chiro or a therapist when your business is causing you some pain? And that's where I can help. In just 30 to 45 minutes, I have this pretty cool software program that does a quick but detailed diagnosis of your business practices. And we can identify those 3 or 4 things that you could do pretty quickly to get relief from your cash flow pain. It's free, and I promise you no sales pitch. And I'll even give you a detailed report of what needs to be focused on. And in fact, we can often find more than, 50, 60, $100,000 of profit and revenue tactics that you can put into place almost overnight. So we can take away that financial pain that's causing you the biggest problems in your business. So you can focus on helping your clients. I'll focus on helping your business. So just DM me if you'd like to know more details on how it could help, or if you want to be able to set a time that suits. And I look forward to being able to help you.